Tired of outrageous phone bills and spotty coverage? Today, we're putting US Mobile and Rogers Mobile head-to-head to help you ditch the frustration and find the perfect carrier for your needs. First up, let's talk plans. US Mobile is known for its highly customizable plans, where you pick and choose your data, talk, and text, starting as low as a few dollars. Rogers Mobile, on the other hand, primarily offers tiered plans with preset data allowances. This means with US Mobile, you only pay for what you actually use, while Rogers might be better if you need a very large, predictable data bucket. Now, let's dive into pricing. While US Mobile can be incredibly budget-friendly for light users, Rogers' higher-tier plans often include perks like streaming subscriptions or international roaming benefits. Consider your data usage and desired extras to see which carrier offers the best value for your specific needs. Keep an eye out for hidden fees and promotional offers as well. Coverage is crucial. US Mobile uses Verizon and Mobile's networks, providing excellent coverage across the US. Rogers Mobile relies on its own network in Canada, which is generally strong in urban areas but can be less reliable in rural locations. Check both carriers' coverage maps in your specific areas to ensure reliable service where you need it most. Finally, let's explore features. US Mobile stands out with its international calling options and family plan discounts. Rogers often bundles perks like access to their Rogers Ignite Wi-Fi network and entertainment packages. Think about which features are essential for you. Is it unlimited data, international calls, or bundled entertainment? This will greatly influence your decision. So, US Mobile versus Rogers Mobile. The winner depends entirely on your individual needs. Weigh your data usage, budget, coverage requirements, and desired features to make the right choice. Now you're empowered to make an informed decision and say goodbye to mobile carrier headaches.